All right, we're going to practice using the sweep tool today. So I'm going to go ahead and click to create a new sketch. I'm going to select the front plane to make a sketch from. I'm going to grab the line tool and I'm going to start at the origin. Remember, when you get the blue box, you're on the origin point. I'm going to click to drag a line up. I'm going to drag a line over at an angle, a line that's straight horizontal, another line at an angle, and a line that kind of comes down in this direction. So once I have that done, I'm going to apply some dimensions to this to constrain it. So I'm going to say I want this first line to be 5 inches. This align dimension for this line, let's make 4 inches. Notice how that kind of throws off my geometry. I'm just going to click this point and kind of move it so it's back to the way it was a little bit, because these lines are not constrained yet. I'm going to click this line, make it 5 inches. I'll select this line here, make it 5 inches. This last line, I'm going to make a line dimension of 4 inches. Our object is still not constrained, and so I have to show some placement of these different points. And so I'm going to select this point here, and I'm going to make it 2 inches from the origin in the width dimension. I'll zoom out a little bit to try to keep my dimensions a little more organized. Select this point here. And I'll make that one 10 inches. And I'll select this last point here. And we'll make that one 8 inches. From here, I'm going to apply a little bit of a round to the outside edge of these. So I'm going to click the fillet tool, and I'm going to select these two lines, and I'm going to apply a 2-inch round to all of these corners. So once I have that done, I'll go ahead and select Finish Sketch. From here, I'm going to click the Home view so we can kind of see this as an isometric view. I'm going to go ahead and click to create a new sketch, and I'm going to make it on this plane right here. And I'm going to go from that origin point and I'm going to draw a circle on it. I'm going to make the circle a 1/2 inch diameter, and I'll go ahead and click to finish the sketch. Now we'll be able to use our sweep tool. So over here under our tools, I'll click sweep. It's going to ask me for a profile. That's going to be the circle that we created. Then it's going to ask me a path to follow, and I'll select that path. And so what has happened, it took the profile that we created and swept it along a path. There's some different options and things you can do. You can do twist angles, where it will twist the object. Since ours is round, you really can't see that. But there's some different options and things that you can use, so don't forget about those within the sweep tool. So here's how you use the sweep tool.